A very pleasant good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to the E-class of St. Xavier School, Adipur. Today we are starting with the math subject. So students, as I earlier told you that we have completed our multiplication chapter, right? So today we are starting with the new chapter. So chapter 5 and we are starting with the part 1. Chapter number 5 and the part 1. Okay. So let's see what is the chapter's name, right? So students, the chapter's name is calendar, right? calendar, calendar. So students, today we are starting with the calendar chapter. Okay, so in this chapter you will understand about the days of the week, months in a year and many more related to the calendar chapter, right? So let's start the chapter, my dear students. Students, as you all know that 2020 has been a tough year, right? So this is the year 2021, right? So students, you might be seeing calendars like this. Okay, so as you can see here, see this calendar. This you have seen hanging on the wall, right? And this type of calendar you have seen which is on the table. Okay, so there are many types of calendars. Okay, so students, which is this month? Yes, this is the February month of 2021. So students, can you see here on the screen this S, M, T, W, T, F, S. What is this? These are the days. Okay. So first of all in this chapter we will understand about the days of the week. Okay. So students, आप अपना बैग पैक करते हो ना, जब स्कूल आते थे तभी, कि मंडे को कौन सी बुक्स लेके जानी है, ट्यूसडे को कौन सी बुक्स लेके जानी है, राइट? सो दिस S, M, T, W, then T, F, S ये रिलेट करता है डेज से. ओके, सो नाउ see students, as you can see here, this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now students, count along with me. ये कितने days होते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. कितने days होते हैं my dear students? 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Right? So these 7 days makes a week. Okay, see here. Okay, so these 7 days make 1 week. Okay, so now let us understand about the days of the week. So we are starting with the days of the week. Students, please understand this very well. Okay. So what do you see here on the screen? Yes, the names of days of the week. Okay. See, days of the week. Okay, my dear students, now we will start from the first day. As you all know, there are 7 days. कितने डेज होते हैं एक वीक में? 7 days, right? Students, we will consider first day as Sunday. Okay, see, first day as Sunday in your maths workbook. Okay, first day को consider Monday किया है? No, but we will not consider Monday as the first day. We will consider first day as the Sunday. Okay. So first day, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. First day is S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Then second day, that is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. First day is Sunday. Then second day is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Then continuing with the third day. Third day is T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Fourth day, that is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. So fourth day is Wednesday. Then continuing with the fifth day. Fifth day is T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Okay. Then sixth day, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Sixth day is Friday. Then seventh day, the last day of the week is Saturday, right? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Seventh day is Saturday. So once again students, week में कितने days होते हैं? 7 days. Okay. So the first day is Sunday. Second day is Monday. Third day is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. Fifth day is Thursday. Sixth day is Friday. And the last day, that is the seventh day, is Saturday. My dear students, in your textbook, Monday is considered as the first day. No, but हम ये नहीं consider करेंगे. हम first day consider करेंगे Sunday को ही. Okay? So, these days of the week, you have to write down in your maths notebook from the attached PDF. Okay? With the video, I am sending you the PDF. From that PDF, you have to note down the notes in your maths notebook. Okay? So now, let us start our question answers. Okay? So my dear students, here is the first question. These question answers are given in your maths workbook also. Okay? So you have to take out your maths workbook and in that open the calendar chapter. Okay? So let us start with the first question. How many days are there in a week? Okay, the first question is, how many days are there in a week? Students, now what is the meaning of this question? Week में कितने days होते हैं? So let's count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. ये तो हमने नाम बोले. अब काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 days. Our answer is 7 days. So how many days are there in a week? तो आंसर क्या है? 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Now question number 2. Which is the first day of the week? Which is the first day of the week? Now my dear students, see here. Which is the first day of the week? कौन सा पहला दिन है week का? Yes, Sunday. Right? S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. So answer is Sunday. पहला दिन week का कौन सा हुआ? Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Okay? So continuing with the third. Which is the fourth day of the week? Which is the fourth day of the week? So students, see here, count 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth day कौन सा हुआ my dear students? Yes, Wednesday. So our answer is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. What is the answer? Wednesday. Wednesday. So, fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Students, in the exams, this tree will not be there. Okay, ये reference के लिए है, आपके explanation के लिए यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. एग्जाम में आपको ऐसे नहीं दिया जाएगा. You can count the days on your fingers. Okay, and with that, अब आपके सामने यहाँ पे तो स्पेलिंग्स हैं, राइट? सो एग्जाम के टाइम आपके यहाँ पे ऐसे स्पेलिंग्स नहीं दी गई होंगी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स ऑल्सो, राइट? नाउ फोर्थ, which is the last day of the week? Which is the last day of the week? So students, last day here, Sunday is the first day, then continue with the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. तो लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? यस, सैटरडे. ओके, सो आंसर इज सैटरडे. ओके, सो SATURDAY, सैटरडे. SATURDAY, सैटरडे. दैट मीन्स द सेवेंथ डे. लास्ट डे सेवेंथ डे भी होता है, तो वो कौन सा है? सैटरडे. ओके, सैटरडे. फिफ्थ, which is the day just after Tuesday? Which is the day just after Tuesday? Now students, what is the meaning of this question here? हमें पूछा गया है कि कौन सा दिन आता है ट्यूसडे के बाद. आफ्टर यानी बाद में, बिफोर यानी पहले, राइट? सो लेट्स सी. देखो, संडे, देन मंडे. Now in the question Tuesday is given to you, right? This Tuesday. So which day is the day just after Tuesday? Tuesday के just day के बाद कौन सा day है? Yes, that is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. So answer is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY, ट्यूसडे के बाद जस्ट कौन सा दिन आता है? वेडनेसडे. ओके, नाउ विच इज द डे जस्ट बिफोर सैटरडे? विच इज द डे जस्ट बिफोर सैटरडे? विच इज द डे जस्ट बिफोर सैटरडे? सैटरडे से पहले कौन सा दिन आता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? सी हियर. सी, सैटरडे. सैटरडे के पहले वाला दिन कौन सा है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? फ्राइडे. सो आंसर इज फ्राइडे. ओके, FRIDAY, फ्राइडे, राइट? नाउ कंटिन्यू विद द सेवेंथ वन. यस, विच इज द डे जस्ट आफ्टर वेडनेसडे? वेडनेसडे के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? सो द आंसर इज yes, this one, Thursday, right? Wednesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. 8th question. Which is the day just before Sunday? Sunday के पहले कौन सा दिन आता है my dear students? What is the answer? देखो, ये Sunday है, उससे पहले Monday तो बाद वाला हो जाता है, तो Sunday से पहले वाला दिन that is Saturday, right? That is Saturday. SATURDAY, Saturday. Now, 9th. Which is the day between Monday and Wednesday? Which is the day between Monday and Wednesday? My dear students, हमें find out अब क्या करना है? हमें कौन सा आंसर करना है कि कौन सा दिन है जो मंडे और वेडनेसडे के बीच में आता है, राइट? सो यू कैन सी हियर संडे, देन मंडे. ओके, सो दिस मंडे, ट्यूसडे एंड वेडनेसडे. अब व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट व्हिच डे इज कमिंग बिटवीन द मंडे एंड वेडनेसडे? सो व्हाट डू यू सी हियर? यस, ट्यूसडे. सो आवर आंसर इज ट्यूसडे, राइट? TUESDAY, Tuesday. Which is the day between Monday and Wednesday? Tuesday, right? Now the 10th one. Which is the day between Thursday and Saturday? Okay, so here the meaning is कौन सा दिन आता है थर्सडे और सैटरडे के बीच में? Let's see Thursday and Saturday. So between this, which day is coming? Yes, Friday. So answer is Friday. 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 So Friday is coming between Thursday and Saturday. Now continuing with the 11th one. Which day comes 2 days after Monday? Which day comes 2 days after Monday? That means students, what is the meaning of the question here? Which day comes 2 days after Monday? Monday के 2 दिन बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? So let's see. Students, Monday, Tuesday. Yes, we will count Monday also. That means Monday और Tuesday के 2 दिन बाद, है ना? Monday के 2 दिन बाद. So उसमें Monday को भी count करेंगे हम. So Monday, Tuesday, and the answer is Wednesday, right? Monday, Tuesday. That is Wednesday. So what is the answer here? Monday के 2 दिन बाद आता है Wednesday. 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 Our answer is Wednesday. 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 Now 12. Which day comes 2 days after Thursday? Which day comes 2 days after Thursday? Right? Thursday के 2 दिन बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? So we will count Thursday also, right? Don't get confused here, my dear students. You have to count the day Thursday also, right? So Thursday and Friday. ये 2 दिन हो गए, तो 2 दिन बाद क्या आया आंसर? Saturday. So our answer is Saturday. 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 So Thursday के 2 दिन बाद क्या आता है, my dear students? Saturday. Okay. Now continuing with the last 2 questions. Yes. Which day comes 7 days after Saturday? Which day comes 7 days after Saturday? Yes, my dear students, 7 days. Saturday के 7 days बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? So let's see. Okay, so here is the Saturday. So Saturday को भी काउंट करेंगे हम, ठीक है? तो Saturday पहला 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days बाद कौन सा डे आ गया वापस? Yes, Saturday. So our answer is Saturday. Saturday के 7 days बाद क्या आता है? कौन सा डे आता है, my dear students? Yes, Saturday. Right? If students, the question is which day comes 7 days after Monday? So our answer is Monday. Right? Monday से अगर आप काउंट करोगे 7 days, so our answer is Monday only. Right? Now 14th. Which day comes 3 days after Wednesday? Which day comes 3 days after Wednesday? Right? So let's see. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. तो 3 days हो गए. 3 days बाद कौन सा दिन आएगा, my dear students? Yes, Saturday. 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 Right? Saturday. Saturday. So my dear students, here we have seen the question answers. Students, which is the first day, which is the 4th day, this way question answers can come, right? जो दिए गए हैं वर्कबुक में, not only that, other question answers can also come. For example, देखो, if I am giving you one question, name the day that starts with the alphabet W. Okay, we have to name the day which is starting with the alphabet W. So the answer is Wednesday, right? If I am saying name the days which are starting with the alphabet S. S के साथ कौन से डे स्टार्ट होते हैं? So that is Sunday and Saturday, right? Sunday and Saturday. Okay, so this way ma'am can ask you question answers related to the days of the week. Ma'am can ask you before day, okay, after day, 2 days after, okay, 2 days before. This way ma'am can ask you the question answers, right? So this was all about today's class. With this, students, you have to complete the homework, okay, and the homework you can see from the attached PDF. Okay, so have a nice day, my dear students.